morning and welcome to PetroTV. My name is Guillermo and we're going to talk about petrochemicals and hydrocarbons, and this is my partner.
Guillermo, my name is Brandon Del Campo and I'm too excited to talk about petrochemicals. And now we're going to continue to talk about the petrochemicals with my partner Guillermo.
The petrochemicals are derived from the petroleum and natural gases. As you can see, the last set was destroyed because of Godzilla, so we changed and now we're in Brazil.
Okay, now we're gonna go to take a look at the weather. But first, let me take a selfie.
And welcome to a new section in PetroTV. Today we're here to discuss about what petrochemicals do in the ecology and the ecosystem. First of all, we have to discuss about what petrochemicals do marine environment. As you may know, petrochemicals use extraction plants that are located in the ocean. From time to time, these extraction plants fail and all the fossil fuels that were allocated inside of them go out into the ocean, affecting both animals and plants inside the ocean, killing them and making the ocean environment a lot dangerous for these species. Also, since petrochemical industries burn these fossil fuels, they release into the atmosphere nitrogen, sulfur and carbon dioxide. Then, thus, when they are mixed with water vapor, they create what we call acid rain, thus harming crops and the human population. Also, the petrochemical industry releases what we know as smog and contamination. Having said this, also it affects climate because petrochemical industries, when they burn fossil fuel, they release into the atmosphere carbon dioxide, improving the conditions of the greenhouse effect, making the climate a lot hotter in all parts of the world. And now, we're gonna talk about how petrochemicals have impacted on the global economy. As you may already know, petrochemicals play an important role in our everyday life, since a lot of products that we use every day are made of petrochemicals. Also, the petrochemical industry is the one that gives one of the main power sources to each country, these being fuels, petrol and diesel. To end this section, let's talk about how petrochemicals affect politics. As the petrochemical industry evolves and becomes larger, the need for petroleum is bigger, which makes that some countries go and invade or attack other countries for this precious material, such as the US. Thank you, Obama.
Thank you, Obama.
Hello guys, welcome to this new section on Plastics are made from petrochemicals, different sources of biomass. Personal foods are like creams, personal lube, lubricants, and more stuff like that. Lubricants are like this. Vitamins. All know medicines are made from petrochemicals. Or synthetic vitamins. These also are made from petrochemicals. Many vitamins are like the A, D, and E, and K They are well known because people is not active, and you know, people cannot make the boom boom boom, and you know, like example, you know, yeah, you know, detergent. Things that your mama use at the night are used to wash your clothes when you go with your girlfriend or boyfriend. I don't know why.
Pretty pretty, pretty pretty. すごくでっかい気がプリ Pretty pretty, pretty pretty. 今日パーティー気がプリ Pretty pretty, pretty pretty. でかくてハッピー気がプリ
That the extraction of hydrocarbons is very risky because of the following reasons. The first one is that the disposition of solid wastes from drilling and workover operation, and this causes cuttings, drilling muds and fluids, and also remove well scale. Another thing is the contaminants introduced in water. This causes radionucleus in some areas. The last, but not less important, is the contaminants in cuttings. This causes that heavy metal contaminants get contaminated.
Gold balls contain polyethylene, which is another petrochemical. It's estimated that 300 million balls are lost in the US alone, and it takes between 100 and 1,000 years to biodegrade. Many of these end up in the water, which makes biodegradable gold balls a better option. This one not only biodegrades it, but it also feeds fish.